All right, so I guess I prevented that swarm. It worked. All right, quick update on the Balboa hive since the last video where I split her in 3 because they were about to swarm. 6 days after the video was shot, I went in there and the workers had cleared all of the syrup out of the brood box and put it up into the super. So amazing. She was all honey bound. I put a super on top. The workers cleared that syrup out of there and she started laying in the brood nest. There were eggs all over the hive, so it was great. I did find 2 swarm cups on the bottom of a couple of frames in the lower brood box. They were empty and I just scraped them off to just sort of, you know, take away that urge. And other than that, it was amazing. So I'm gonna take you in right now and show you video of what's going on in that hive so you can see for yourself. Before we get to Balboa, I'm gonna have a look at New Package Hive because they're bearding and doing all kinds of stuff out front. So a week ago, the deal in here was there was probably 4 totally empty frames up in this upper brood box a week ago. They hadn't been drawn out and there was nothing on them. Still haven't drawn that out. There's still space up here. This was an empty frame a week ago, so this has been drawn out and they're filling it up with nectar and capping. Tons of larvae, tons of eggs. This queen is fantastic. All right, they need some space. Whoa. I'm gonna have a look down below and see if there's any sign of swarm cells down there. Might save that for later. All right, beautiful pollen frame there. Gorgeous, cap and honey. Just great stuff from this queen. Tons of larvae, no signs of swarming. Eggs. There she is. Okay, they're getting a super. They needed some place to put some of this nectar, and that's that. This hive is slamming. Something new for this hive. So I did not expect this package, which I only got in April, would be split twice now and being supered before the summer. I never would have expected this. I'm putting on a medium super. There's a combination of just undrawn frames and foundationless. See what they do with those. Go New Package. I love this hive. All right, while we're here, before we get into Balboa, let's just have a quick look at the Russians. I supered them a couple weeks ago, so see what they're doing with the supers. Nothing. 2 weeks. Maybe a little drawn comb. Okay, well, they're not using the frames up here at all. They're just hanging out up here. Some serious activity going on. So nothing at all. Population is up. So after I split them, I put some new frames down here. So these were empty frames. Let's see what they did to them. Yeah, they're drawing them out. Barely. Storing nectar. Barely. Ton of empty swarm cups, which is, you know, kind of what Russians do. Take those off. They're just in the way. Nicely drawn frame, lots of eggs. So we got a laying queen. Just empty swarm cups everywhere. Let's just have a quick peek up here. I'm telling you right now, Russians are not like Italians. Russians are just very excitable. They're jumpy. And they're always under your fingers. I mean, the brood pattern is solid. I mean, it's great. This queen lays eggs. It's just their behavior is just very, it's not chill. There's the queen. All right, she's here. There's a lot of room in here to lay. There's some empty space. They have a super. I'm just gonna leave them alone again. They have so much honey in here. Russian bees are like the honey badger of bees.
The honey badger doesn't care. It's getting stung like 1,000 times. Nothing can stop the honey badger when it's hungry. Oh, what a crazy fuck.
Alright, I'm out of here with the Russians. Why are you so aggressive? Alright, Balboa. So I'm just going to show you Balboa, see what they're doing, show you that she's still here, she didn't reswarm. We're going to check and make sure they didn't make any swarm cups in the last like 2 days. Alright, Super's been on for 7 days. I've drawn stuff out. Alright, we want to have a look and see if there are swarm cells forming, and we want to see Balboa. And we also want a frame of eggs to put into our little queenless nuke. So 2 days ago when I came up here, I knocked a couple of swarm cells off of 2 frames that were down here. So beautiful pollen. When I split the hive, frames were just empty. There were a couple drawn frames, but they were totally empty. They brought all this pollen in the last week. A lot of drones here. That is not a cell. That is just some comb. That's just some comb. Alright, I hope I see Balboa up in the upper box. I did not see her down here. Okay, we're looking for a frame of eggs up here that we can transfer over to the little nuke. Hey, they're drawing out the drone frame. This is a frame specifically for drone comb that the queen can lay into, and the idea is they fill it up with drone comb, and that's where the varroa go, because the varroa like to go into the drone cells. So it's like a trap frame. They're drawing it out. That's great. They weren't doing that 6 days ago. Here's Queen Balboa. And this is a frame filled with eggs. She is just amazing. She's just so big. Okay, Balboa is right there. Okay, I'm gonna take a frame of eggs out of here. Probably one over here. Okay, that's all larvae and eggs. This is a really nice frame of eggs. Capped brood. And lots of larvae. There's some eggs. Alright, I think I might take this frame here. There's all stages of eggs in here. There's everything from eggs to couple-day-old larvae. Alright, they have choices with this frame right there. And this is all brood about to hatch. And this is all nectar. Alright, I know which frame I'm going to take. I just have to go make room for it. So this nuke over here is queenless and eggless. I'm going to take out one of these mediums and give them a deep. There's nothing special on it. There's nectar, but I'm going to give them, there's going to be a bunch of nectar coming in over there. So let me just shake this off. Do a little exchange. So this frame right here is a beautiful frame with all stages of larvae and eggs. There's capped brood, larvae, capped larvae, there are eggs, there's nectar. There's just a little bit of everything on this frame. And a lot of bees. So they're going to go in. Okay, now you guys have brood and eggs. You need to make a queen. So, go for it. And Balboa, once again, is going to get an empty frame. Put the super back on. Alright, to summarize, Russians, honey badgers. New package, just amazing. Got a super today, beautiful, tame, very nice, looking good, just amazingly productive, no swarming at all. Balboa, no swarm cells. I saw Balboa. I took a really nice frame of larvae and eggs to put into the little queenless nuke that became queenless after I made the nuke. So that should build up now, and hopefully that little nuke will be something someday. And then Balboa will have made 4 hives this year? Well, 3 total, but 3. Balboa would have made 3 hives, become 4 hives from 1 hive. Alright, so that's the update. If you don't know, I have Instagram. Have lots of cool wildlife updates around the farm. Right up there, Instagram. Oh, and Twitter. Tweet to me. and I'll tweet back. Vino Farm, Vino Farm. That's it. Have an awesome day.
This is the honey badger. Watch it run in slow motion. It's pretty badass. Look.